In this video, I'm going to help you improve your British accent. The first thing we're going to see is the non-rhotic R. For example, car, father, teacher, better, computer, near, mother, beer, letter, and clear. In American English, the R is rhotic. That means that in British English we say car and father, but in American English the R is more R. Car, father, teacher. I'm obviously not American, so I don't do the American accent perfectly, but you can see the difference between teacher in British English and teacher in American English. The next one is the long R vowel sound. Bath, path, class, glass, laugh, ask, can't, half, calm, fast. This is the standard British English pronunciation. In British English, we say class. In American English, they say class. So the A sound is more like air, not R like in British English. Another important difference between American English and British English is that British English has got a clear and strong T sound. Butter, water, better, bottle, city, little, matter, letter, party, potato. But in American English, the T is flapped, which means that it's not strong. They would say water, better, bottle. So there's a big difference. In British English, you need to make the T strong. Butter, water. Now let's practice. Party, half, better, glass, box, letter, doctor, father, classroom, water, hot, laugh, computer, shop. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.